ಕೈಯಗ ಸರಣ ಎಲ್ಲಾಗೂ ಎನ್ನ ಕೈ ಮುಗಿಗೆ. So far, we have seen the 12 Badugu vowels and 27 half consonants. The 27 half consonants are ik, ig, ikwa, igwa, ing, etc. up to her. And we have learned that when these 27 half consonants combine with the first vowel a, then they give rise to 27 consonants which end in a sound like ka, ga, kwa, gua, nga, etc. up to ha. The consonant ha is a special consonant which can also act as a vowel. Like this, we can add balance of 11 more vowels from a to au with the 27 half consonants. In this video, we are going to see the 11 symbols representing vowel sounds. To represent the combination of vowel sounds, the letter of consonants are written with symbols rather than a separate vowel. The consonant letter without any symbol such as ka has the inherent vowel a. For example, when ik is added with a, it becomes ka. To represent this ka, we have to put the symbol of a sound which looks like 0 or o to the right of the consonant ka without touching it. For adding e sound, the symbol of a horizontal hook has to be added at the right bottom of the consonant. It starts at the right bottom and look like being pulled towards left. For adding e sound, the same hook is curved to the right and curled at the end. For adding u sound, the hook is added to the top right and drops down. For oo sound, the dropped hook-like symbol of oo is curled at the end. For adding a sound, the bottom hook starts from the left bottom of the letter and points or moves towards right. It is curled at the end for a symbol. For I sound, a crescent moon-like symbol is put at the top of the letter with a dot above, but does not touch the letter. For O sound, a C-like symbol is put at the top of the letter. This touches the letter at one end. For stretched O sound, the symbol C is curled. For ow sound, an inverted S-like symbol is put to the right of the letter without touching the letter, and a dot is put near the center of ow symbol. Like this, the 11 basic symbols can be added with all the half consonants to write all 324 basic consonants.